In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and looking at your workspace. The workspace is basically your home base in Monday.com, where all of your boards, dashboards, and projects live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace if your account has more than one, because the board you're about to create will be stored there. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Add button. It usually appears with a plus symbol, and it's your starting point for creating anything new. Go ahead and click that Add button. When the menu opens, you'll see several options, but for now, focus on the one labeled New Board. Click New Board to start the setup process. A window will appear asking you to name your board. This is more important than it might seem at first. Choose a clear, descriptive board name that tells you and your team exactly what this board is for. For example, instead of just calling it Tasks, you might call it Marketing Team Weekly Tasks or Product Launch Checklist. A specific name will make it easier to find and understand later, especially as you create more boards. Next, you'll choose the privacy level for your board. Monday.com usually offers three options: main, private, or shareable. A main board is visible to everyone in your workspace, so it's great for team-wide projects. A private board is only visible to you and the specific people you invite, which is helpful for sensitive information or early planning. A shareable board is designed for collaboration with people outside your main team or organization, like clients or contractors. Take a second to think about who needs access, then select the option that fits your situation best. You'll also be asked what you're managing on this board. This could be items, tasks, campaigns, or something similar, depending on how your account is set up. This choice helps shape how your board is organized and how your team will think about the information on it. If you're not sure, pick the option that best matches your workflow today. You can always adjust the structure later with different views and columns. Once you've set the name, chosen the privacy level, and selected what you're managing, you're ready for the final step. Click Create Board. Monday.com will generate your new board and open it right away, so you can start adding groups, columns, and items to build out your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a new board in Monday.com, ready for you and your team to start organizing your work.